Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing good. In this video tutorial, I will tell you about the Bluetooth problem in your device Redmi 9A and 9C. So if in this device your Bluetooth is not working, like your Bluetooth is not connecting or not working, you can fix it by the methods I will show you in this video. Before that, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how you can fix the Bluetooth problem in your device Redmi 9A and 9C. Let's watch the video and learn about it.